Alright, so this is the second time recording this, but hold on, family. I have some good news, some bad news. The bad news is for trade. That's really just it. So as you can see by the title, you notice that I have gotten a trading robot. I'm gonna show you it right now. I think I can show you. Yeah, I can show you. Alright, well, wait. But before that, by the way, I just want to share the two trades because I took two trades this week. These two trades, and well, as you can see, I lost it. As you mean, the price of break retest, come back to this area, and then continue. But I did stop me and then go up, and then I wanted to get another re-entry, but that never happened. So I think that's legit the only two trades I took personally. On the other hand, now I'm going to show you the robot. Yeah.
Incoming mail. Incoming mail.
Alright, so as you can see, basically this is the bot. It's just basically like a like a bot that automatically enters trade for you. But not like you, I was like at first I don't know what I was doing. So you seen it that it's green means yo anytime you get like a signal to buy, sell, whatever, it will do it. Being honest. I had put $14 in it just to test it out in a different broker. So I had $14 in it, and it lose all the way down to like $6. You see me? $6. I think I can. I don't know. It's going to be a lot of trouble to like actually show, but I'm gonna see if I can put it on the screen for this week. So it's just a bag of L's. I'm not gonna lie, it is a bag of L's for a little bit, and then it made back some profits basically. And a bag of L's, so it basically make back most of the money you lose. As you can see, $14. And yeah, I'm just going to screen record this. But yeah, so basically $14 as you can see. So bag of L's, bag of L's, bag of L's, bag of L's. Make like good profit right there. So and then bag of L's, and then lose. You see them last like after the 2.93. All those were like me. I try close out a trade. Like for add I think it was a buy. I was adding a buy, and it just continues. I go back into sell, go back into sell. I had no, I did not know why. You see me? So there is that. So each of them is just basically a trading, but you see like any of the open like say me. So anytime open this window, it's like just automatically enter any trades that you have available. You see me? Say let's see it go. That's why I was so scared to me. So I'm just wait till like in at night. I'm gonna see your market close and you can't enter, and yeah. So yeah, that's really it, you know. What you can do, you can add you can add like a take profit how much you want, the lot for the how much entries you want. It for enter at the same time. Can use trailing stop loss and just a bag of stuff, you see me? But yeah, so that it is alright, you see me? I don't really have much to say. Oh yeah. So it's been a good week now in regards. So I'm gonna see what happens next week. I'm gonna just leave it, see what happens. If I lose the $14 into the case, but I'm gonna just leave it and then see what go on. Personally, as what go on now my life right now, everybody always hear me complain say I working and stuff. I always hear that working and stuff. Alright, so I'm an intern just doing a little work at JNMS, which is like like a remittance company. So them send money and them things there back and forth to people overseas and Jamaica. Recently I've got a little like working hard, you see me? So them say you know about the youth them at least I got recommended to do you know just a little extra something. Some just normal do it, I'll go work on such and Sunday. You see me? Just cause most people do it, but essentially what that landed me was like a spot in where I wanted to go. So I want to see if I can put up at least part of it. And it says following our decision, this discussion, because they called me earlier, asked if I would be available. Serves to advise that you have been selected for a position of project store clerk. Personally, I don't know what that is, and I'm going to lie to you, I don't know what that is. But the most important part is that it will be at JN Fund Manager. This is where like the money in stocks. So, you know, so yo, me get excited. You see me? It's a whole vibe, and it lasts till year end. So that's that. But I tell somebody say if them decide say they want more for free, I would, and that would be that. But I getting paid, so It's a vibe. So on to the relatively boring stuff now in regards to YouTube. Not much. Some people text me like on Instagram. Someone say, see if I can find on Instagram. So as you can see, people from last year that did do the Stuart Hall book. Last year say, well, I tell you guys, if you help me, I really, really did. Our project was based on murder and blah blah, but she used it on our report was based on the Murderlin Mirror biography. But when they posted that one, I already submitted. Anyways, I used this video and it helped me. And you say this assignment and help y'all. I got an A. Like more, it's a highly recommended. Thanks a lot. I was really happy say yo it actually help people. You see me? YouTube not really pay me fee, but enough you to get grade and half the back of a course. Kind of boring. Another one say another girl reply to DM and say she get a A as well. So I'm like, yeah, it's a vibe. So that's that for Instagram. As regards for my financial situation with YouTube. I think I'm just really comfortable because the amount of money I'm making on YouTube isn't really, people really bat them eye to that. But I'm gonna show you guys until it start, I'm feeling uncomfortable, but I highly doubt it. Damn, $80. Hey, was it $80? Anyways, I'm at $80 now. $20 more. Christmas, guys, watch the videos them so we can get little more Christmas to see me. Thanks very much. As $8, I didn't even know. I thought it was like 70 something. 29, 75, I don't know. But I get cents per day, less than cents, pennies, I don't know, whatever. But that's that for that, I guess. For I think so now basically just my stocks them really left. I'm gonna see if I can find it for you guys and then just showing the strips, you see me. So basically last week, yeah, my portfolio is down because everything in red as you can see. Portfolio size was 35k. Yeah, 35k. And yeah, nothing really major if I'm being honest. But this week is actually up. I want to show you guys. Right now. But yeah, so basically now I'm a bit up. 56k now. And yeah, up like 7,200 basically. I bought some more shares in Honeybun, bought some more shares in Carreras. Yeah, so that really last year it's like 45 for winning, but you buy some more, kind of dilute it down, but it's alright, still not like a profit regardless. So not really much exciting for the week here. Definitely going to be dropping a good video this week, I hope. Can't drop one now. I've just been so some guys. But thanks for sticking around. Much love. Appreciate the love. Passive made chance gone up, okay. 10 cents. Yeah. So much love. And I will see you guys in the next video. Just know if you like, share, comment, subscribe, and peace.